Hey guys, before this video begins, you know exactly what I'm about to say. We are having another major giveaway on the 26th of December. Only difference is this time two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each. Yes, you heard that right. Two people will be walking away with 2,000 rand each on the 26th of December on Christmas Day. So if you're interested, you know exactly what you need to do. Make sure that you comment something, hit that like and that subscribe button. Something worthwhile, something meaningful, something that can capture somebody's eye, and you might be the lucky person walking away with over 2,000 rand in their bank account on Christmas Day. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with Donald Chicken in South Africa 2021. Now the previous video was a very good video. A lot of people liked it, but a lot of people messaged me on WhatsApp because they were very confused on what Donald Chicken is and what it actually provides. So I decided to make a part 2 video explaining in detail what you need to do, and if you have further questions, where you can go to have your answers and get everything you need. So but before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. Make sure you always have those post notifications turned on so you can always get and always be the first person in line to watch our videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, as you can see here, I am at my Donald Chicken profile. This is my home page. As you can see, it says me. This is my ID. My available balance is 0.13 rand, and I have not invested any money yet. You know, I tell all of my subscribers, even on WhatsApp, that before you invest anything, you need to make sure you know everything, and that is why I personally also haven't invested anything. Now there are different options that you have. There's the withdraw and there's the recharge. You recharge money and you withdraw money, so it works like that. So if you go on here to the contract and it says you're in progress, this is the number of checks that are being produced at a certain rate, and if you go on here to completed, the amount of chickens that have been completed virtually, of course. So after you go to the purchase, this is where you can purchase the bundles for 7 days, for 14 days, 21 days, 28 days. Pretty much it's pretty endless, and there's a very big variety of things you can do. Now if you go into the home page, it just shows you the amount of people that are actually recharging. A lot of people are putting in 1,000, 2,000, 500, 300. So a lot of people are really invested and are really confident in Donald Chicken because they truly feel like it is the app for them. So after you do that, guys, you can pretty much go on anything to kind of know, but a lot of people will still have a lot of questions, and I'm going to show you where to go specifically if you want to know your questions and how you want to do. So as it says here, it's information, facts, share, and after you do that, guys, you need to click on one of them. So if you click on facts, these are where all of your questions can literally be answers, like what are the rewards for successful registrations. They answer the questions. So pretty much any question you guys have had about Donald Chicken in general, all of your answers will be answered. All you need to do is just scroll down. There's so many questions. How do I do this? What is a contract center? How do I do that? How do I invite friends? Pretty much whatever you guys need to know will be there. So you know exactly what you need to do. All you need to do is register an account, get in Donald Chicken. Do not invest any money yet. I always recommend that because you never know with these type of apps. My job is to show you and guide you in the proper direction, so that is exactly what I'm going to do. So what you need to do is just go on the facts and just literally look at all those questions and get all the answers, and hopefully you'll have a better understanding of Donald Chicken. I hope this video was very beneficial to you. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Larry out. Peace.